Chapter 15, question 21, asks what is the difference between peripheral and integral proteins? Now, these are both types of proteins that are in the cell membrane. So these blue things here. You have the phospholipid bilayer, and like buoys float around in the ocean, these proteins float around in the cell membrane. Now, you have two different types, peripheral proteins and integral proteins. Let's organize our thoughts with a table. So we'll have peripheral proteins, and then we'll have integral proteins. So peripheral proteins only go partly through the lipid bilayer. So, for example, if you had a protein like this, where this is the protein and this is the lipid bilayer, that would be a peripheral protein. In this diagram, this here at the bottom would be an example of a peripheral protein. It's not going all the way through. Here's another one, not going all the way through, peripheral proteins. So that's a peripheral protein. An integral protein does go all the way through. Or peripheral proteins go all the way through the lipid bilayer. So in a schematic, that would look like this. So here's your protein, and this would be the lipid bilayer. And so in the diagram below, you would see those as this one here goes through both ends, this one goes through both ends, this one, those are all integral proteins.